Hello and welcome to the PEWAG Levo e-learning course. This e-learning course refers to the repairing of the PEWAG Levo hook. In this chapter you will learn how to exchange the open-close button. Our technician will show you how to exchange the open-close button. At the beginning, our technician removes the electronic unit a little bit, so that he has easy access to the open-close button. The electronic unit is fixed with an additional sealing, so it can be that the removing process needs a little bit more force. In any case, please be careful when you perform some works on the electronic unit. Secondly, the open-close button will be disconnected from the electronic unit. After the open-close button is disconnected, the button itself will be pushed from inside out. For this purpose, our technician uses a screwdriver. Now we come to the assembling of the open-close button. For this purpose, please proceed as follows. Put the cable of the open-close button from the outside through the hole on the casing. Remove the foil from the backside of the open-close button and fix the button on the housing of the hook. See the marked area. After that, the cable of the open-close button can be connected with the electronic unit. Please take care to place the cable properly without any stretching, bending, etc.